Are you excited to see the Hoover Dam? We're getting all the
I'll look at it
stops.
and I'll be like, psh, Grand Canyon's better.
We are ready for another day of adventure. 'Tis the daily ritual to transfer Gus from the hotel room to the view. This is possibly the most stressful time for a pet skink. I don't know if these are like executives flying in, but there's a lot of air traffic in this tiny little airport here. We are at the Hoover Dam parking garage.
Why are you talking like that?
I can't speak. I am just so full of blood chemicals in my brain that's making me wonky.
So we're at the Hoover Dam in the parking garage right now.
She's got it. Activities are mine by video camera. You're damn right. So Ashley was reading some trivia.
Just one little factoid that I stumbled across.
So share that with us.
100 people died, and that there are bodies in the Hoover Dam.
100 people died, and 96 of them it was work related, so they were covered. But the rest, they didn't explain how they died. There's like a little step there.
I guess you were listening better than I was.
I was listening to what you were saying, yeah.
It's a lot of stairs to walk down.
That's good for them.
I'll wait for you.
Yeah, that's fine. So it's funny, whenever they say no backpacks, you're like, well, this isn't a backpack, it's a pet carrier. And here they say a pet, and they're like, this isn't a pet carrier, this is a backpack. No lizards. America. Oh, that river's beautiful. Look at that color.
Yeah.
That's real nice color.
Ooh, it's got like cool stuff. Nice.
Wow, it's amazing. Look at that, baby.
Yeah. At least there's a nice wall there, so you're not like...
Wow!
Woo!
Oh, it's a nice breeze, and there's a bunch of change down there. Ooh. So this is the Spillway House, and I guess you can have like weddings or like a reception. This would be a really badass reception, I think, or a wedding. It's literally right on the Hoover Dam. Check it out. So if any of y'all want to one-up my wedding, do it there. Send me an invite. I'll be there. School pending. They died to make the desert bloom. It is true. Okay, so we did not go inside the Hoover Dam because Gus was not allowed, despite our attempts to be like, oh, kiss kitten, innocent. They were still like, nope. So, that being said, what did you guys think of the Hoover Dam?
Impressive, and it was hot. Yes, it was very hot.
But after walking around for what? What just happened? What?
That lady, she had toilet paper hanging out the back of her dress, like out of her butt. Like just full on toilet paper hanging out. The other lady just snatched it out of there for her. I was like, oh my god.
Anyways, Hoover Dam is just like a crazy feat of human accomplishment. Holy crap, the ingenuity and engineering and just like what it took, you know, to make this incredible monument named after our late president, our 31st president, President Hoover.
But now you got a new...
I can't believe you did that.
Divorce.
Divorce. I've all been my pokies. This is going to be most of the vlog, just this whole conversation. Like, it's educational, entertainable. Isn't it crazy that just yesterday we were like 8,000 feet and right now we're like 1,000 feet?
Oh, a flash flood warning has been issued.
What are you?
I just got a weather report. I was like, that's not for here.
I can't even finish my review of the Hoover Dam without your shenanigans, you Dorcas.
All right, I'll be over here.
Nope, it's fine. You just
pokies,
evolve pokies all willy nilly. Welcome to Nevada. Well, thank you there, cowboy. With the Fit Miners thing. Okay, whatever.
Wow.
It's dead.
I'm messing up your vlog.
Ah! We've seen so many interesting signs, like, you know, you see deer, but then you see like elk crossing and like ram crossing.
We did see a bear crossing.
Oh, we did. That's right. We saw a bear crossing.
And we did see a wild boar crossing.
Did we?
We did.
Was I asleep?
No. You were driving only once. I don't remember where we were.
I remember the bear one now that you mentioned it.
And the bear one was only once too.
Yeah.
Because you were like, what? There's bears. Oh. And I'm like, we are driving to the forest. It's possible.
It's possible. It's totally possible.
We're in Flagstaff though. Those they had like a variety of different deer and elk signs.
Yeah, they were all like different. I'm like, oh, it's a small elk. Oh, it's a big elk. Oh, it's a buck elk. Oh, it's a doe elk. It was like
this one has a red nose. That must be reindeer.
That one must be reindeer.
They all had respective territories in Flagstaff.
Right. They're like in gangs. Like, yo, look out. The big bucks are here. They're like, oh, look out. Little domos are here. What? What side?
Wow, you should really stop. I think we should turn this off before you embarrass yourself any further.
I am the editor, man. I do all of the post-production. God forbid I had a different editor.
Okay, so we were supposed to be going to this chocolate factory / cactus farm.
I'm more excited about the cactus farm.
Yeah,
but
it's just interesting that it's a chocolate factory and also a cactus farm.
This is true.
But yeah, I told him the name of the place and the address, and supposedly he typed it in, but I think he just clicked on the first thing that popped up, and so we ended up in this little neighborhood. Just
at someone's house.
Just at someone's house.
Not my proudest moment.
I was like, there's just gonna be a chocolate factory in the neighborhood.
I was like, wow, this is really like what a nice drive. Why isn't there other people visiting the chocolate factory?
Yeah, actually a very nice neighborhood. I'm glad it didn't like take us to like the ghetto. Chocolate factory in the ghetto.
So whatever neighborhood this is in Henderson is nice. Henderson is like a bird's eye view to Vegas. You can actually see it over here. If these houses weren't there, you can see it. Oh, this is actually running. Yeah. I thought for a second it was wax because it's so glossy. Star Trek and Star Wars.
So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to just give you somewhat of an introductory to basically how cacao trees grow, where they grow, what we do to them to give you the dark milk and the white chocolate. Okay. All right. All the highlighted areas here is pretty much where you'll find cacao trees. Now, what do you know about the equator?
It's hot.
Pretty much so. This is pretty much the equator line right through here. So again, all the highlighted areas is going to be where Ethel M's contract most of their cacao forms. It's all about bringing out those flavors. Okay. So, do you taste the cacao in that? Because it's in that dark chocolate. Okay, yeah. The lemony is very lemon.
There's a blue and yellow-ish skink. He's a cute little guy, wasn't he?
I like these ones. Yeah, it's super cute. These ones look like they're not even real.
Go ahead, touch it. Tell me if it's real. No, don't touch it. Stop. Crazy.
Touched it.
Oh, she touched the butt.
I touched the butt.
So I mentioned previously, if you guys watched all these videos and if I vlogged every video, you'd think that Holiday Inn was paying me to rep them. But the fact of the matter is that we were at the Best Western yesterday, and it was like $300+. It was god awful, right? But here at the Holiday Inn Vacations Club, it's $93. And let me take you on a tour real quick. We have a dining room, very nice. A full kitchen. They ain't messing around. There's a full kitchen in here. The living room, TV, pull-out couch, 2 chairs. There's half the bathroom, the other half is there, which is being utilized by my wife. And here is our bedroom with this ginormous walk-in closet. Oh my gosh, huge. Oh, and did I mention they have a fireplace? So in the future, Holiday Inn's going to want to sell me a timeshare. So we've got this pretty much exact experience, except for 4 people. And we're figuring out who those other 2 people might be. It's just we got to sit through the 2-hour timeshare and then be like, oh, I don't have a job, or whatever, so that they'll leave us alone. Or be like, okay, your 2 hours are up. At this point, it's harassment or something. I don't know. Something like that. Oh, cool. I look so white. Weak sauce. That guy's weak. Did you hear mine?
But they have.
The resemblance is uncanny. All right, well, that is the vlog for today. Peace out.